Welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle and I wanted to show you how I remove the background from an image. This is one of the things that I struggled with when I first wanted to use my Cricut to cut out images, and hopefully this can somehow help someone else. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe below. So the first thing I open up is the Snipping Tool app. I'm not sure about Mac computers. I use Windows, and this is what it looks like if you just type in Snipping Tool in your little search box at the bottom of your screen. So what I'm doing is I found an image that I wanted, and I took the Snipping Tool, I clicked New, highlighted the image, and click Copy. You can also save the image by clicking the disk or going to File, Save, and upload it to your computer. From there, I go over to Canva and I log in. They do have a free version, but I prefer to use the paid one. Settings, I just wanted to show you guys the pricing. For Pro, it's the one that I use. It's $9.99 a month, or you can pay yearly. There's also the free version. What I use is the Pro version. This is not sponsored by Canva. This is just what I choose to use. Whatever template or canvas you would like, I usually use the t-shirt canvas. What you would do is you TRL button plus the V button and paste your image. You can adjust the size however you would like. From there, click on the image and click Edit Image. Once you click on Edit Image, you will click on the background remover. From there, it will remove your background. Give you a minute. After it removes the background, you click Apply if that's what you would like. As you can see, the image is still intact and the background is removed. From there, you can explore the left-hand side of the screen where you edit your image, and you can change the colors. You can put it on a mock-up for a t-shirt. You can put it on a mock-up, say you want to put it on a computer screen or something like that. You can do that from there. From there, you can download your image. On the right hand top screen, you'll see where there's a download button, and you can choose whatever file type you would like. As you can see, there's lots of options. The most popular is the PNG file. So what I'm going to do is click PNG and make it a transparent background and click download. From there, you can save it to your computer. And now you have a image with no background. You can use it in whatever cutting system or application or app that you want to. I hope that this video was helpful, and now you can remove the background from your images. Please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any more questions or if there's any other videos that you would like to see. Thank you and have a great day.